Hey guys, it's Mogspogs, and welcome to my modding tutorials for Minecraft. Um, yeah, this is gonna be a little series that I'm starting up, which will be basically teaching people how to mod Minecraft. We're gonna start right at the basics, and that includes setting up MCP so you can actually start coding mods. So first, what you're gonna want to do is come to the internet and type in MCP into Google. You get Minecraft code back, the first one. Click on that, scroll down a bit, and click here for the download link. So you just want to download that. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Okay, you wait for that to download, and we can close that off, and whatever else it pops up. So we just want to extract it here to the desktop. We can delete that now, and we get a folder like this with a few other folders inside and some batch files. Now to set up this so we can decompile the Minecraft code and actually have a look at it and change things and add things to it, we want a Minecraft install, a clean one. So make sure if you've got any mods installed or anything, force update before adding it to your MCP folder here. So you're going to want to come into bin. No, you're going to want to go into bin and install mod loader, just as you normally would with a normal mod. I've got it here, so I'll open that up. I want to delete the meta-imp folder first, and then install mod loader, which is pretty simple to do. Now you want to go back here, copy the bin folder, and then come into jars in your MCP and paste it in there. And now we don't need that anymore. So now we've got the bin folder and the jars folder of the MCP, and we want to double click on decompile.bat. This is going to decompile the code and make it readable so we can look at it, change things, add things, all that kind of stuff. So we need to wait for that to do that. And while that's doing that, I'll show you what you're going to be wanting to use to code and look at the Java files. It's a little program called Eclipse. It's a Java, I think it's called IDE. You want to come to downloads, and you want to download this one. Yeah, this one right here. Depending on which whichever thing, 32-bit, 64-bit your computer is, you want to download the right one. I've already got it downloaded, so that's fine. Once you've downloaded it, you place it in any folder. I've got it in apps, Eclipse, and then it's there. That's what you're going to want to double click to open up Eclipse. So this here needs to still download, decompile. That's taking quite a while. This part here is the workspace. You need to make sure that you direct it to your desktop if you've got MCP on your desktop, then into your MCP folder, and then you want to direct it to the Eclipse folder, which is there, actually in the MCP. This just makes it easier for it to read all the files. I'll wait for that to decompile fully before doing anything. Yeah, it comes up with an error, that's fine. That's nothing to worry about. Okay, so when that's done, you want to just press any key to continue. I usually click enter, and then we can start up our Eclipse. So when this loads up, you will be able to see any second now that we can see all the Minecraft code, because that's always nice to see. Here we are. Okay. There's two folders that you'll see on the left hand side when you open up Eclipse. You want to drop down the client folder. We don't want the server folder because we're not modding the server. Then you want to drop down the src, src folder, which stands for source code, and then the bottom package down here, net.minecraft.src. Now in here you can see a whole load of Java files. All of these make up the game Minecraft. That's all the coding in there. So I can open up, let's say, block, and it gives us all the code in a second. It will. Gives us all the code for a basic block, and it also holds data for all the blocks in the game. So we've got all these blocks, they're all different blocks, stuff like that. So then in here we can start editing classes, adding classes, and all sorts to make our mods. So that's it for this tutorial, which was setting up MCP. It's, as you can see, very simple to do, and not really much to it. If you enjoyed the video and you would like to see the rest of the tutorials that I'm going to be making, please click the little like button or subscribe, or both. Lets me know whether you actually want to see these things. Otherwise, if nobody does, then I won't bother, because yeah, nobody wants them. But if you do, click that little like button, that'd be really appreciated. The next tutorial that I'll be making is coding your own block. It'd be just a simple block that you can place, destroy, and craft as well. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.